Look, triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles. Look at here. Triangle ABC and DBC. Triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Here, DBC. Okay, and what is BC? A and D are same side of BC. If AD is extended, intersect at P. Okay, first question, triangle ABD congruent to ACD. Hello, listen here. The first question, anybody got? First one, anybody got?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at here, the first question, listen. Okay, you write first given. Everyone wrote the given to prove a figure also there? Hello, everyone finished the figure?
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, figure, and what you have to prove? Okay, then first question, listen here. We are shown that triangle ABD congruent to ACD. Okay, in triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC given. Okay, BD equal to CD given. BD equal to CD given. AD equal to AD common. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to ACD. Which congruency?
SSS congruency.
SSS congruency.
No, that's
Okay.
the count.
Okay. First write that. First write in triangle ABD and ACD. In triangle ABD and ACD. In triangle ABD and ACD. AB equal to AC. AB equal to, in triangle ABD and ACD, AB equal to AC. Given. BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. Given. AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. SSS congruency. SSS congruency. Clear now? First part clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubt first part?
No, sir.
No, sir.
First part, anyone have doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Now, second part. Second part what? Triangle ABP congruent to ACP. ABP and ACP. Okay. Now listen here. You know angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. What is the reason? You don't have idea?
CPCT?
CPCT.
CPCT?
Yeah, CPCT. Okay, listen here now. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, angle 1 equal to angle 2. You just write triangle ABP, ABD congruent to triangle ACD, CPCT. Okay, AB equal to AC given. AP equal to AP common. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Why? Which congruency? Hello, which congruency?
SAS.
SAS. Side, angle, side. SAS congruency. Okay, write that one. Right.
Sir.
In triangle ABP
Sir.
and ACP. In triangle ABP and ACP. ABP and ACP. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. In bracket, right? Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Then AP equal to AP common. AP equal to AP common. Therefore, triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. ABP congruent to triangle ACP. SAS congruency. Okay. It's clear
Sir,
now?
Sir, instead of taking angles 1 and 2, I took angle ABP equals to angle ACP,
Which
opposite
congruency?
angles to equal side. It will become AAS.
Okay. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Okay, in triangle ABP and ACP, 1 equal to 2, right? Hello, tell me again.
Sir, instead of taking angles 1 and 2, I took angle ABP and angle ACP, opposite angles to equal sides are equal.
Which congruency then? Which congruency? Hello,
SSA.
there is a congruency. Show me in your reader that SSA. Show me that reader. Show me, I'm waiting that. Okay. Hello. I'm waiting that. Tell me that page number.
Sir, I don't know, sir, but then I took that one, so I'm
No,
asking if it's
you don't.
okay.
You don't know. Then what? We learn only SAS, SSS, ASA, AAS. Other than you making the congruency. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You making your own congruency. Then okay. You make it. You make this one. Right.
Mm.
No, you can write. Okay, but which congruency that? You telling SSA. There is no congruency like that. So you write name then. Okay, it's wrong. Okay. So correct it now. Okay, finish now or? So ABP
Yes, sir.
congruency, SAS congruency. Okay. Now, okay, now which one? AP bisect A and angle D. Oh, this is already finished. Okay, look at here. You can call this is 3 and 4. Okay, look. In triangle ABD congruent to ACD, correct or no? Hello, the first part, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, we proved, right? So therefore, angle 1 equal to 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT, finish, right? Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, proved. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, proved. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4, CPCT. Hence, AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. Clear or not? 1, 2, 3, finish. Then only we can go to the fourth.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, finish. Okay, now I am going to fourth one. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. What do you have to show that?
So we should show that AP is a 90-degree and it divides BC into half.
Half. So that means we are shown that BP equal to CP. Correct or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at your third part. Sorry, fourth part.
So
In
should we show
triangle.
that it's a 90-degree?
Yeah, we are show perpendicular bisector now. So you have to show that. Okay. Now look at here. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. Okay. ABP and ACP. AB equal to AC given. Okay. Angle 1. Oh, we already proved. No, we proved triangle ABP and ACP. We proved, right? We
Yes,
proved,
sir.
right? Okay. So first you can write that triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Proved. Okay. Therefore, angle 5 equal to angle 6. Okay. Then therefore BP equal to CP. Call it number 1. CPCT. Angle 5 equal to angle 6, number 2, CPCT. But angle 5 plus angle 6, how much? Angle 5 plus angle 6, how much?
180 degree.
180. Why 180 degree? Reason? Linear pair. Yes, linear pair. Okay, now finish. 1, 2, 3. They are equal. BP equal to PC and each angle 9 degree. Therefore, AP the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, right first. Right. Triangle ABP, triangle ABP, triangle ABP, congruent to triangle ACP. Triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. Triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. Proved. Hence, BP equal to CP, CPCT, number 1. BP equal to CP, number 1, CPCT. CPCT, number 1. Okay. Then, angle 5, you mark it. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. CPCT, number 2. But, angle 5 plus angle 6. But, angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Number 3, linear pairs. Angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree linear pairs. From 1, 2, 3. From 1, 2, and 3, we get BP is the, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay. Clear now? Everyone just go through this note. Hello, everyone go to the question and check the note. Check the these 4 parts. Okay. I'll give you time. Is it okay? Check out. You checked or not?
So just a minute, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Take your time, no problem. Finish. Hello. Okay. Finish. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone finish. Vishal, finish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you send me the note? Vishal, send me the note. Anuvama, send me the note.
Yes, sir.
Ananya, send me the note. I want to see. Daksh. Hello, Daksh.
Yes, sir.
Send me the note.
So the first question, right? 7.3.
Yeah, first question full. Send it.
Okay, sir. Sir, I did it on myself.
You self or not, but whether correct or not, I want to check it. That's no
Oh,
problem.
yes, sir. I'll just send you that.
Sir, the
Sir,
first, the second one.
full question. I'm asked telling you now. 7.3 question.
Okay, sir.
Janil, I want to see the book. Vaidegi. Hello, Vaidegi.
Yes.
Send me the note.
Yes. Sir, I sent you.
Okay, wait. Let me check out. Daksh. Hello, Daksh.
Yes, sir.
The last answer, what you read it? AP is what?
AP is,
Read from your book.
yes, sir, what?
AP the perpendicular.
Bisector of BC.
Very short AP BP equal to PC. It is there.
Yes, sir, I wrote, sir. So, angle angle ABP is equals to angle.
Okay,
Sir,
correct.
it's about.
Correct.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, can I start the next question?
Yeah, okay, you can start next question. Okay. We're all finished. We're all finished. Start next question. There's no issue. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anivama, continue.
Yes.
Who this one without name? Who sent me this one?
So I send you Vaidehi.
Vaidagi. Yeah, Vaidagi. Your answer, you wrote last BP equal to CP. What is the reason? Angle 5 equal to angle 6. No reason. What is the reason? You should write the reason. Okay.
Okay, sir, I'll write.
Hello. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I continue?
Yeah. Ananya.
Yes, sir.
You said angle 1, angle 2, and all. Where is in your figure? Come on. There is no logic in that you're writing. You saying angle 1 equal to angle 2, everything is there. But where is 1 in picture? In figure it is mentioned. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vishal, where is the book?
Sir, just 1 sec. I'm doing one small correction.
What correction, man? I gave the note, no. Then only after that only I asked you to send the note.
No, I have to correct it. Just give me a moment.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Now you try, Vishal. Where is your note, man? Everyone finished and started. Next question. What you did? I gave one by one the note. Where is your note?
Just 1 sec.
What one? Just 1 second. I don't want your note. Please don't send it. You keep it with you. Okay.
So not
Okay.
like that.
No, not like that. I don't want. I don't want to see your note. Okay.
I want to send it neatly.
No need to send it, man. No need to send it. Keep it with you. Okay. Because now 30 minutes over one question. I gave the note part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Then only I ask you the note. Okay. So next, everyone try next question. You keep it with you. Okay, next question is what? Okay. Oh, wait. Next, before showing next question, I want. Hey, listen. Don't start next question because I want to show one theorem. Okay. Hello. Go to page number 126. Page 126.
So the theorem is RHS congruency, right?
Yes, RHS congruency. Page 126. Copy that theorem. RHS congruency. RHS congruency. Okay. Okay, here, what is saying? AC equal to PR. This is must. And any one of the side. This is equal to this one. AB equal to PQ or BC equal to QR. Or BC equal to QR. Then we can say these triangles are congruent by RHS congruency. That means, listen all. Hypotenuse and one side of one triangle respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one triangle. Then the triangles are congruent. This is called RHS congruency. Okay, copy that. Then draw this figure. Then write AC equal to PR, AB equal to PQ, AB equal to PQ, or BC equal to QR. Then we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so now can we start the second?
Yeah, now you start. Now you can start. Okay. Try now. Okay. What is the question number? What is the question number 2?
7.3, question number 2.
I don't want to hear anything from you. Okay. You not follow what I'm saying. Okay. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. Okay. Look at here. AD is an altitude. Okay. Simple. Okay. Look at here. In triangle ADB and ADC. Okay. AB equal to AC. AD common 90 90. Which congruency? Which
RHS
congruency?
congruency.
RH is congruent.
RHS congruency. Okay. Hence, BD equal to DC CPCT. Finish. And AD bisect angle A, that also CPCT. Now you can try third one. Third one, not an easy one. I'll show this one. Right. Still, Vishal, still you didn't finish, right? No?
Which one?
Okay. Question number 3. You want to try? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then try then. It's not an easy one. Okay. Anubama, are you getting or not? Okay, try.
Sir, actually, I had not completed the figure, so I did a mistake in that, so I'm doing that again.
Draw figure. Figure is given now.
Yes, sir. Like I did wrong in that, so.
Figure is printed. Printed figure is given. You
Yes, sir.
can-
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's a figure over there. I named it wrong, so.
Okay. So look at here, I'll show this one. Okay. The side AB, BC, and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to side PQ and QR and median PN of triangle PQR. Okay. Look, listen, the side AB A, B, the side AB and BC and median AM. Look, oh, before that, don't start. We need one idea, okay? You don't have idea what is the median? Hello, what is the median? Wait, we cannot start this. Hello, what is the median? Then how you started? Anagha, what is the median?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it's like a line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side.
Yeah, the line segment. Median means, okay, median means the line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Right? Okay, write first that one. Don't before that, don't start. First you write this one. The line segment from a vertex. The line segment from a vertex. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Right. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. The line segment from a vertex. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. Okay. How many medians you can draw? Look, the line segment from a vertex to the midpoint. This is the midpoint, D. This is another midpoint. This is another
The video
midpoint.
is so blur.
Wait. Let me check the net.
So it's normal now.
So it's okay now.
Yes, sir, it's okay now.
Okay. So okay
Sir,
now?
it's okay now.
Can see now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Listen here, the line segment from a vertex to the midpoint, the opposite side. D is the midpoint, E is the midpoint, F is the midpoint. So BE join, this is joined. This is called median. Okay, draw this figure. Vishal, you didn't send me the note.
So I didn't complete the third part.
Which third part you're talking about?
In the first one, which was
Okay, then you leave it today, then you complete. After that you can join it. Okay. Everyone finish 3 or 4 questions. Still,
Sir, I'll send it by today.
no, wait. No, I don't want to send you your notebook. Okay, but I gave the note. Okay, write this one. The line segment from a vertex. The line segment from a vertex the line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. Okay. There are three medians in a triangle. 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 Okay. Medians are intersecting at a point. Medians are intersecting at a point. Medians are intersecting at a point. Okay. This point is called, what is the name of that point? Anyone? Medians intersecting at a point. What is the name? Hello? Anyone? Come on. Medians intersecting at a point. What is the name of that point? Anyone idea or not?
Sir, midpoint.
No. No. Medians intersecting at a point. This point. A name is there. What is that? What is that name?
So is it origin?
Not origin. Come on. Medians intersecting at a point, that is called a very important point. Very important point. Okay. You'll learn in lower classes because
Sir, centroid?
oh, you check the net, right?
No, sir, I'm not sure, sir. Sir, because sir, my neighbor, she's in 11, sir. That's why I know.
Who? Your
Sir,
neighbor?
my neighbor. Yeah, sir,
Who's
my
that?
neighbor.
You ask you went to you went to neighbor now.
No, sir, I play with his brother, the neighbor's brother. No, that's why, sir. She studies also. That time I was like sitting beside her. That's why. Then she was like talking to her friend and son.
Neighbor in which school?
So she's in also DPS only.
What is the name?
Sir, Nishi.
Okay. Okay. So it is called what? Centroid. What do you call it? It is called centroid. Okay. Okay. Anyway, it's not our scope. Okay, write that one. The point of intersection of median is called centroid. Okay. It is a, okay. Daksh, one more. Ask a neighbor. It's a common notation is there. What is that?
What?
A common notation like A, B.
But sir, I did not ask her. She was discussing about it. That time I heard.
Okay. A common notation. It is G, capital G. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Now
what is capital G, sir? Your voice is
centroid.
lagging.
Centroid.
No, you were okay, okay.
Okay, like rational number n. Sorry, a natural number n, like that. Okay. Okay. So now listen here. Now we go to the question now. Hello. Listen, that will, hello, listen, every question, if a word is unknown, you should know that. Then only you can understand. Okay. Dhanusri, is it clear now? Hello, Dhanusri. Why no one answering? So, why no one answer is, can hear me or not?
Yes.
Okay. So, you can see, is it okay? Okay, now look at here. Now this question, look. A, B, C. and PQR. This is AM. PQR. PS. Okay. Listen here.
Sir, actually it is N.
N. Where N? Okay. N. Okay. No problem. Okay. First, what is the question? The side AB, BC, and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to PQ, QR, and median PN of PQR. Okay. Then first one show that triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. ABM, the shorter one. Okay, look at here. Question clear or not? Okay, Daksh, read the question loudly.
Yes, sir. So the third question, right?
Yeah.
Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ and QR, and the median PN of triangle PQR show that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN, and triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR.
Okay, look at here now. First of all, our question is ABM congruent to PQN. Okay, listen here. BC equal to QR given. Agree or not? BC equal to QR given. Is it okay or not? Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
BC by 2 equal to QR by 2, which implies BM equal to QN. Agree or not? Okay, right first. BC equal to QR. You not given what you have to prove here or no? Right. First start. BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR given. Then BC by 2 equal to QR by 2. BC by 2 equal to QR by 2. Okay. BC by 2 equal to QR by 2. That is BM equal to QN. BM equal to QN. BM equal to QN. In bracket, right? M and N are the midpoints. M and N are the midpoints of BC and QR. M and N are the midpoints of M and N are the midpoints of BC and QR. M and N are the midpoints of BC and QR. Okay. After that, in triangle ABM, in triangle ABM, in triangle ABM and PQN. In triangle ABM and PQN. AB equal to PQ given. AB equal to PQ given. Then BM equal to QN proved. BM equal to QN proved. BN equal to QN proved. Okay. AM equal to PN. AM equal to PN. AM equal to PN given. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. Triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. SSS congruency. SSS congruence. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So can you repeat?
What do you want? Which triangle you have to prove? Hello? Which triangle you have to prove? You want to repeat? that?
PPM congruent to triangle PQM.
Okay, which one? AB equal to PQ ready, right?
Yes, sir.
BM equal to QN, right? Hello? BM equal to QN, is it there or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, AM equal to PN.
Yes.
Okay, therefore these triangles are congruent by SSS congruency, ABM congruent to PQN. Okay, who are all still in India now? Who are all,
Sir, me.
who?
Sir, me
Ayub.
Archik.
Okay, you can come from August 1st onwards, it is open now.
No idea.
No, so it's not be told.
Yeah,
So no idea.
hey, that is saying first August onwards flight open and directly you can fly. You book or not? Okay, so now you try second part. Hello, try the second part. Which one? Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQ. That is you try yourself. Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQ. We need this idea, okay? We need this idea, then only can do it, okay? Try now. Okay. Are you getting first second part good or not? Hello,
Yes, sir.
somebody got second part? It's very simple. Look at here. Hello, I told you. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB equal to PQ. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB equal to PQ given. Angle B equal to angle Q. Proved. Why? How? Why angle B equal to angle Q? Hello. Why angle B equal to angle Q? CPCT. Yes. CPCT. Angle B equal to angle Q. CPCT. BC equal to QR given. Therefore, side angle side. Side angle side by SIS congruency. Okay. Right first. Right. In triangle ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC and PQR, ABC and PQR, AB equal to PQ given. AB equal to PQ given. Okay. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. In bracket, right? Triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQA. Triangle ABM, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQA. Triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQA. Okay. Then BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR given. BC equal to QR given. Therefore, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. By what? Which congruency?
SES congruent.
Eh? Which one?
Sir, SAS.
Yes, I
SAS.
yes. Okay. Now we try question number 6. We're all finished, only try. Okay, SIS congruency. Okay. Then try now 6.
But sir, there's no question number 6. Sir, which question should we do?
Okay. So now we try question number. Next question.
Sir, question number 4, yeah?
Yes, 4. Yes. After 3, then 4 only, no. Then why are you asking me?
No, sir, before you told question number 6, that's why.
No. Okay, I have a question. You heard about the syllabus changes and all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you heard? What is the news? Anyone tell me? Oh. Maybe it won't be full portion for you, right? You heard like that, right? 30% will cut. Like,
There'll be 2 terms.
no, that's not for you. That's not
One
cool.
minute.
That's 10th and 12th.
Oh,
For you, maybe they will cut 30% portion because still school open now, not at open. I don't remember. I don't remember. That is for 10th and 12th, term 1 and term 2.
oh yes, sir. Like I don't remember exactly, but it was written that in term 1 50% and in other term I think 50%, something
Okay.
like that.
Okay. Okay. Try now this question. Okay. Try fast. Okay. Try now question number. Which one now? Question number 4. Simple question this one. 4 and 5 simple. You try yourself. Okay. Okay. Finish. Hello. Anybody finish or not?
Sir, just 1 minute.
Okay. 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 So look at here. Okay. BE and CF are equal altitude. BE, listen. BE and CF. Okay. BE. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. Using RHS congruency, show that ABC is isosceles. Okay. Look at here. You can take triangle BFC. This one, this triangle. Okay, and this one. Okay, triangle BFC and triangle CEB. Hello, listen. In triangle BFC and CEB, which angle equal?
Sir,
Which angle equal? BFC and CEB, which angle equal? Hello? Which angle equal? Any angle equal here?
Sir, sir, angle AEB is equals to angle CEB.
AEB. I didn't ask that one. AEB, I asked which triangle, man. You can see
Oh, okay, okay.
BFC and CEB, any angle equal.
Sir,
Yeah.
BE and CF.
That is angle. B is the angle. Angle F equal to angle E. Angle, you have still no idea which are the angle, which is the side. Angle F equal to angle E, 90 degree. Correct or no? Angle F equal to angle E, 90 degree. BE equal to CF. BE equal to CF given. BC equal to BC common. Correct or no? That means this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse on one side. Hypotenuse on one side. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS. Okay, right first. In triangle BFC, okay, in triangle BFC and CEB, angle F equal to angle E. Angle F equal to angle E, 90 degree given. BE equal to CF given. BE equal to CF given. Then BC equal to BC common. BC equal to BC common. Therefore, triangle BFC congruent to triangle CEB. BFC congruent to CEB. RHS congruency. RHS congruency. Hence, angle B equal to angle C. Hence, angle B equal to angle C. Hence, angle B equal to angle C. CPCT. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Clear now? Is it okay?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now last question. Okay, now we try last question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. Show that angle B equal to angle C. Okay, try first. It's very simple. Okay. So look at here, the last question. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Look at here. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC with AB equal to AC. AP perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular. Okay. Show that angle B equal to angle C. What you will do? You just show these two triangles are congruent. That's only. Try now. Okay. So what do you do? In triangle APB, in triangle APB and APC, AB equal to AC given. Angle APB equal to angle APC 90 degree. AP common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS. Hence, B equal to C. Hence, angle B equal to angle C. Are you okay now?
Sir, can you repeat what you told?
In triangle APB, in triangle APB and triangle APC, AB equal to AC given. Angle APB equal to angle B, APC equal to 90 degree given. AP equal to AP. Therefore, triangle APB congruent to triangle APC. Which one?
So I named angle APB and angle APC as angle 1 and angle 2.
Okay, equal to 90 degree. You put here 1.
Yes, sir.
Then okay, then clear. That's okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 90 degree. No problem. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 90 degree given. Therefore, triangle APB congruent to APC by RHS congruency. triangle APB congruent triangle APC by RHS. Hence, angle B equal to angle C. Okay, you study up to here. Next section is a little tough section only. Last section is very tough. Okay, so you need this all background. Okay, this is enough today. Prepare this all. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So